Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는.
Last time we were at the Bronx Botanical Garden, but this time we've come to the Queen Zoo. The Queen Zoo officially opened in 1968 within a park that was originally the site of the 1964 New York World's Fair. It's run by the Wildlife Conservation Society, and many of the animals like cougars and American bears were rescued after being injured or orphaned in the wild. California sea lions are especially popular, and there are sea lion shows several times a day. The sea lion show has started. California sea lions are incredibly fast swimmers, reaching speeds of up to 25 miles in the water, which they use to catch fish during hunts. They have a special sensory system called the whisker sensor, where their long whiskers are highly sensitive to movement, helping them detect prey and nearby objects underwater. California sea lions also travel long distances in search of food, sometimes moving over 31 miles in a single day, ranging from Oregon down to California depending on the season. Walt Disney played an important role in the establishment of Queen Zoo. Thanks to his donation, the diorama exhibit of American wildlife within the zoo became a reality. His contribution reflected his deep interest in animal and nature conservation, which also resonated with the themes of love for nature depicted in his films, such as Bambi and Fantasia.
Yes, there's one that's the same person. It's a matter of like what's okay. I'll give you their yeah, I want to know like their anesthetic process. I'm a huge fan. They go like all the way out. He went all the way in. Like the doctor. I mean for Alexa.
After taking a break and enjoying some ice cream, we continued strolling through the zoo. The cherry blossoms of Somme Yoshino were in full bloom, making the scenery in the park incredibly beautiful, and just walking around made us feel the essence of spring. Beyond the tunnel of cherry blossoms, we had the chance to feed the animals, which made us really happy. This feeding experience was a valuable opportunity to interact with the animals and became an unforgettable memory.
Hold Daddy's hand.